Alright, y'all see where we're at. We're back out here. Alright, let's see if there's anything in these tree limbs. Like I said, I assisted them in the water the other day in hopes that they would provide a nice crappie haven. But all I've seen is turtles hanging out in here. So let's see what I did. Come on. There we go. Oh, we got a fish. We do got one. Come on. That's the only new problem I was going into right there. Oh, did he get off? He's still on? Come on. Get on there. There we go. Told you. Look at that. Right at the top of the head. Through all those tree branches, through everything. He was in there. I'm glad I threw that out there, because that just tells me that these fish are using the structure I threw out there, or shall I say assisted out there. But either way, I guess they were going to be in it. We got us a nice little bass. Let's toss them back. Top of the mouth. See if anything else is in there. That's awesome. First time I ever threw some structure. So maybe let's see. There we go. We're on. That's a nice bass too. Come on. Get out of there. Look at that. Got him up and over the branch. Up and over the tree branch. Look at him. He ain't the same one just from just a minute ago either. That's a nice little boy. Oh yeah. They're up on timber right now. They are definitely up on timber. Got a nice little fat belly. All right, buddy. Get on out there. Hey, pulling them in, slapping them one at a time. Before we jump over there, just try the little hose. Could be something in there. Never know. See if we can do over there, here, like we did over there with a piece of wood. Oh, yep, we're on. Look at that. Look at that. Come here, bad boy. Come here. Slow it down. Oh, yeah. He tried to jump. Get over here. Get over here. Look at that. That's exactly what I was hoping would happen. Look at him. Nice little, maybe 1 pounder. Right underneath there, like I was hoping he would be. He's got kind of a small tail, but look at that fish. Awesome. All right, big guy. Back in there you go. That's exactly what I was hoping had happened right there. See if he'd play on the side. Just kind of dangle it. And he ran out, which definitely helped us. If he'd have ran back in, we might have been in some trouble. But that's exactly what I was hoping happened. Oh yeah. Nice little fish. Well, everybody, I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for following along with this journey today. But until next time, love you, see you, peace, and I'll catch you on the water.